IND AHD BX UVC R1 120V15C Industrial UV Air Purifier from Larson Electronics actively disinfects the surrounding air in occupied areas without noise. This unit uses two T8 UV lamps to provide UVC output during UV treatment. Designed for permanent insulation on walls, the UV air purifier operates on 120 volt AC and is protected by a 304 stainless steel enclosure. This unit is a powerful sanitation solution for occupied areas and buildings. The lights emit a flood beam pattern and have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. The UV chamber has a polished surface to maximize light distribution during treatment. The UV light is enclosed inside the unit, preventing UV exposure in occupied areas. This unit is equipped with 15 feet of 16.3 chemical and abrasion-resistant SOOW cord that is fitted with an industrial-grade cord cap for easy connection to common wall outlets. Plug options include the following. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.